Welcome back for another Fantom price prediction analysis, and in this video I'll be sharing my next price targets and also give you areas here on the charts that Fantom needs to continue holding. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to see a bit of a breakdown move here on the charts in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count tool that we have been anticipating here on the charts. And this move is all playing out after we started gearing up after seeing the massive crash on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.2134 mark. And afterwards we started gearing up where we first picked in this 1-2 setup, and after we saw the 1-2 setup we saw this other Elliot wave structure where I'm terming this as a wave 1, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. And in my previous videos I have been giving you this minimum target area for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. And in this video I want to extend my target area back to the Fib level 0.7, that is the Fib level 0.88, as a maximum area within which we can retrace into. And in case we lose the Fib level 0.88 here on the charts, then that would be suggesting an even more bearish scenario here on the Fantom chart. So we need to continue holding above the $0.2558 mark here on the Fantom chart, and I'm hoping that we don't see a close outside of this blue target area. And as long as we continue holding within the blue target area, then soon I'm expecting Fantom to give us a very nice reaction of the target area, start gearing up impulsively in what could be the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3, which is what we expect after seeing that is a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2. And assuming that we have a low in place for the second wave, I can give you minimum target areas for the third wave using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.3921 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect the third wave to do before we can retrace in this wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. So here on the Fantom chart, I'm expecting that we see a reaction of the target area very soon and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3. And I'm also hoping that Fantom does not give us a close outside of this blue target area, because a close outside of this blue target area will be suggesting a bearish scenario here on the charts. And if I zoom out to also give you my long-term analysis, still basing it on the Elliot wave structures, you can see that Fantom, after giving us the November lows last year, we started gearing up in a 5-wave structure where we saw the formation of that wave 5 give us a peak at around the $0.6597 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted here on the charts using this yellow target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we are going to start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, where I will be expecting Fantom to give us a break above the $1 mark once we start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3. And before all that plays out, we first need to see a number of confirmations on the charts, and the first one is a complete 5-wave structure to the upper side here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure. The moment we see such a scenario on the charts, then that is enough confirmation that we have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we are going to start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the charts to see what movements will be supported on the RSI. We are trading at around the 38 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a sharp decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting soon that we might be able to print a bullish cross and fully support higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.